Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change Gantt chart colors here in Smartsheet. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Smartsheet, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Changing Gantt chart colors in Smartsheet is a straightforward process that would help you visually differentiate tasks, phases, or project milestones. While Smartsheet doesn't allow you to change the color of individual bars directly, you can use the following methods to customize the appearance of your Gantt chart. Now, for one, once you are logged into your account, you might want to check on the file that you're going to work with. In my case, I'm going to use this one. I'm going to click on it, and then now once you are inside the file that you're working with, make sure this is very important, all right? Because you can never change the Gantt chart colors if you not switch to the Gantt view, all right? If you're in grid view, you're not going to be able to do it. So switch to Gantt view. This is going to be the chart colors. As you can see, by default, it's colored like a light bluish kind of color. All you're going to do is simple. Right click on it, and there's going to be the color settings, right? You can choose maybe for one, this is going to be yellow. This is going to be, I don't know, maybe a blue. This one's going to be for red. This one's going to be like something green. This one's going to be something like a purple. This one is going to be, I don't know, black. This one's going to be for maybe a little bit of, yeah, let's turn that color. This one's going to be for a bit gray. This one's going to be a white, but you're not going to be able to see it. And this one's going to be a little bit light of yellow. And this one, I don't know, you can choose the color that you wanted. For example, going to be a little bit of pink. Now, the idea is colors make it easier to differentiate between tasks, milestones, and dependencies at a glance, right? You can see the progress and assigning different colors to represent task statuses if you're working with multiple freelancers, collaborators, or team members within a specific project. It helps you see which tasks are on schedule or needs attention. In a glance, you can see the project health without reading the detailed descriptions. Very important, and of course, during higher priority tasks, you can mark it as red or bold colors, all right, drawing attention to crucial items. It ensures teams focus on tasks that have most impact on the project's success. In my case, the video uploading requires the attention. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.